Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over x. So this one we have number 1. So this one we change by u. This one in here we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.